What happens when I sneeze? By Madison Miller. Achoo! It happens to everyone. You feel a tickle in your nose. You rub your nose, but the tickle gets stronger. Soon, your body takes in a quick breath and achoo! Sneezing is our body's way of blasting germs and irritants out of the nose. Drip, drip, drip. When germs or irritants enter the nose releases special chemicals. These chemicals tell the body that something is there that shouldn't be. They can make the eyes and nose get watery. They also make the nose itch. Nerves and muscles. When we feel an itch inside our nose, nerves send a message to the brain. The brain then sends the message out to all the muscles that work together to make us sneeze. Those muscles are located in the belly, chest, neck, and head. Nose, brain, nerves, muscle. Let it out. Moments before a sneeze, the brain tells the throat to shut. The air in the lungs wants to get out. When the throat opens, a sudden rush of air bursts out of the lungs. The blast of air forces irritants out of the throat and nose. Why we sneeze. Many things can make us sneeze. Dust is one of the most common kinds of irritants. Smoke can make us sneeze too. Maybe you've sneezed while putting pepper on your food. All these things can tickle the inside of your nose. When you catch a cold, germs grow inside your body. Some even grow inside your nose. To fight these germs, the body releases special chemicals. These chemicals cause mucus to collect. Our body sneezes to get rid of the mucus and germs. People with allergies get sick from things that don't normally make other people sick. These things include dust and pets. People with allergies often sneeze a lot, even though they don't really need to. That's because their nose itches and creates a lot of mucus. Cover up. A sneeze can travel 100 miles, 160 kilometers per hour. That's fast enough to send anything in your nose flying. It's important to cover your mouth and nose when you sneeze. That will stop you from spreading germs or getting mucus on your friends. Light sneezing? Did you know that some people sneeze when looking at a bright light? Bright light affects nerves in the eyes, which can cause a similar reaction in the nearby nerves of the nose. This leads to a sneeze or even a fit of sneezing. Causes of sneezing: colds, allergies, irritants, bright light, dust, smoke.